Hey boo, hey, we are back once again, and I have a very sexy steak right here for you. Y'all know Valentine's Day is not far away, so let's get this steak game going, okay? I am taking the rosemary off of the twine, and I am also going to take a few cloves of garlic and chop the end piece off, and then you're going to smash the garlic clove. Simple smash. If you smash them and then you try to take that little peel off, it's gonna be super easy. Boom. All right, now we are going to chop our garlic. Okay, let's chop this pretty good, not fine, but pretty good. Now this is my way of making my herb crusted steaks. If you got another way, that's your business. But together we will add the garlic and the rosemary and chop it really well. Now, what I'm going to do, and I don't show you this, you're going to add butter, steak seasoning, and a pinch of brown sugar to this, and then we are going to coat our steaks. These are some New York strips, baby. I love Costco's New York strips because I just love Costco meat. But anyways, we ain't talking about Costco. Right. So we go and we make sure we get them on both sides. Then I'm going to say this, cracked black pepper is the god. So we're going to make sure that we hit it with some cracked black pepper and maybe a pinch of salt. Okay. Now we're going to go over to this nice old piping hot cast iron skillet and sit that baby down. The gag with cooking, and a lot of people want to do, they want to keep moving the meat, but just let it sit still and let it cook, okay? While we are giving it the room to cook, we are going to add our garlic, our rosemary, and that golden god, that Kerrygold butter. We're gonna just let this do its thing, and once we have let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, we are going to flip her over. Oh my Jesus, look at it, baby. This steak right here, a vibe. Of course, once you flip it, you definitely want to baste your meat, because you just need to baste your meat. Don't play the games. Get that juices all up in that meat, and just baste your meat, y'all. Follow me on this one. Anyways, okay, I'm sorry, I got lost in that. Yeah, we're gonna take the rosemary out, and we're gonna flip this one more time, just because I don't. Oh, the editor got crazy with this video. But anyways, after the steaks are done, we will take them out, place them in a pan, put a few paddles of butter on top, and let that melt and let them rest. Okay, I let them rest for about 10 minutes, maybe 15, and now it's time to cut them. As you can see, we like ours medium well, but you can cook yours well done if you like. This breakfast is a for sure big daddy meal, okay? So if that man been good to you, be good back to him, ladies. All right, bye.